Welcome to the channel. Are you ready to level up your programming skills and become a coding pro? Well, buckle up because today we're going to talk about the best way for beginners to learn a new programming language. But before we dive in, let's set the scene with a little story. Imagine you're at a party and someone asks you, "Hey, do you know how to speak Spanish?" And you respond, "I know a few phrases, but I wouldn't say I'm fluent." Now imagine they reply, "Well, that's great. You're already ahead of the game. You just need to practice, practice, practice." Just like learning a new language, learning a new programming language takes time and effort, but with the right approach, it can also be fun and enjoyable. So, where do you start? Step 1. Choose the right language. The first step in learning a new programming language is to choose the right one. There are many programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular languages include Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. When choosing a language, consider your goals and what you want to achieve. For example, if you want to build websites, JavaScript is a great choice. If you want to work with data, Python is a good option. And if you want to build mobile apps, Java is a good choice. Step 2. Find the right resources. Once you've chosen a language, the next step is to find the right resources. There are many tutorials, videos, and books available online. It's important to find resources that cater to beginners and that cover the basics thoroughly. Also, look for resources that align with your learning style. For example, take an online course or tutorial. There are many online resources, such as Craft of Programming, Codecademy, Coursera, and Udemy, that offer beginner-friendly courses and tutorials on a wide range of programming languages. These resources often include interactive exercises, quizzes, and projects to help learners practice and apply what they've learned. Or read a book. There are many books available that are specifically designed to teach programming languages to beginners. These books often provide a step-by-step guide to the language and include examples and exercises to help learners practice and reinforce their understanding. Step 3. Immerse yourself in the language. One of the best ways to learn a new programming language is to immerse yourself in it. This means using it as much as possible and trying out different things to get a feel for how it works. You can start by building small programs and experimenting with different features of the language. One way to achieve this is by participating in coding challenges. There are many websites, such as HackerRank, Code Wars, and Project Euler, that offer coding challenges in a variety of programming languages. These challenges provide a fun and engaging way to practice and improve your skills. Step 4. Practice with real-world projects. Once you have a good grasp of the basics, it's important to practice by building real-world projects. This will help you apply your knowledge and develop your problem-solving skills. Start with small projects like building a calculator or a to-do list app, and then move on to more complex projects as you become more confident. Step 5. Join a community. Learning to code can be a lonely journey, but it doesn't have to be. There are many online communities, such as forums and social media groups, where you can connect with other programmers and learn from their experiences. Joining a community can also provide you with valuable feedback on your code and give you access to a wealth of knowledge and resources. Step 6. Keep yourself up to date. Programming languages are always evolving and changing. So, it's important to keep yourself up to date with the latest updates and features of the language you are learning. This will help you stay relevant in the field and will open up new opportunities for you. Step 7. Have patience and don't give up. Learning to code takes time and effort, and it's easy to get discouraged. Remember that everyone starts as a beginner and it takes time to become proficient in a new language. Don't give up if you hit a roadblock, take a break and come back to it later. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.